my channel. Today I have no makeup on and my daughter is going to do my makeup. This is Addison. So this is generally where I have my supplies, and I have some down in here, but Addison has also brought some of her things and extra brushes, and she tells me that she has types of makeup that I don't even have. So what are your plans for today?
I'm going to do foundation, blush, bronzer, highlighter. I'm gonna even do primer, which you don't have, or highlighter, and you don't also have bronzer, so I'm gonna do that too.
Okay, new things, because in case you didn't know, my makeup routine is usually pretty simple. So we're getting fancy today. Yes, here's Addison's makeup basket. She says she has it organized. I trust her. So let's see what we're going to use today.
As you can tell, I think I have more makeup than Mom.
You have more makeup than me? I wonder why. Okay, we're finally set up. Here we go. So hopefully you can see my face now. And now she says I have to put my hair up, so give me a second. Okay, is that better? No, I still look like I am weird. Okay, do my hair.
It has to be tighter. Here, I'll just leave it.
I hate my hair back.
She did a very thorough job of putting on primer. This primer is from LA Colors and is from Dollar Tree. Most of the makeup she has is from Dollar Tree. It's where she likes to buy it because she gets the most for her money. Addison used CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation. It's the 520 Natural Ivory is the color, I believe, and she used a dish sponge to pat it all around my face.
Look at me.
I have used Mineral Fusion, and I do like it pretty well too. So it's another option.
But it's more orange.
This one is like more orange, and so I don't know. I haven't tried the lighter shade to see if I would look less orange. I don't like to wear to look orange, and so I've been using the CoverGirl one lately.
Next is concealer. This is Maybelline brand. You can see I have some dark circles under my eyes. Some of that's from lack of sleep, and some of it's because I broke my nose in the 7th grade trying to do a gymnastics trick in the backyard. One day I'll get it fixed and I won't have that problem. A tip from Addison is to suck your cheeks in like a fish whenever you're doing highlighter, bronzer, or blush. Step 5, bronzer.
That's the only thing I don't have the actual thing of.
So you're using eyeshadow as bronzer?
Yes. Eyeshadow.
Okay.
A tip from Addison is if you're out of bronzer, use eyeshadow.
Okay, now you have to go like this again. Turn your face a little bit this way.
After some more blending, and now some more highlighter was needed.
And so, what is this?
Highlight.
All right, there's highlighter.
Yeah, and this brush always breaks like.
Oh no. Okay, so what do we do about this on the side of my face?
Okay, can I add the big fluffy thing?
The fluffy brush.
Okay, well, I'll probably have to use a little bit of eyeshadow. Okay.
What are we doing?
A tip from Addison is if you don't have enough powder, she says you can use eyeshadow to work as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, but this is just what I do.
Yikes.
Get ready for eyeshadow. I'm not typically a dark shadow type of girl, so this was a little bit shocking. But stay tuned to the end because it was a little surprising then too.
Smaller brush?
Oh my goodness, Addison.
What?
It's so dark.
So now I need this brush right here. I'm just using this brush.
Okay.
And I'm using this highlight by LA Colors.
Okay.
I really like LA Colors. Don't buy Wet n Wild like eyeshadow and stuff because it just, I have one and it's like wet and then it just like falls off.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I don't know. It looks kind of dark for my taste.
Makeup brushes. Use them for makeup brushes. What?
Nothing.
I use anything. Close your eye.
Okay.
Oh, hi, Ducky. She's waiting at the door.
Oh, is
I
she?
can hear her grunting.
Okay.
This is Ducky the cat. She really wanted to get in on the fun, but she's not allowed in the bedrooms. She's a super cool cat. She's patriotic and even is our school principal. Okay, it's eyebrow time. Eyebrows are a weird thing for me because mine are usually pretty faded. And now we're using a pencil that is probably too dark. So let's see what happens. A tip from Addison. Well, she says for eyebrows to find the beginning and the end, outline them, and then fill it in. And then if it's too dark, you can brush it away.
Oh! That's terrible.
I don't know what happened even.
That's terrible.
Oh yeah, do you remember the one joke?
I guess
told
that's
my-
what makeup wipes are for.
Yeah.
Okay, fix that.
Do you remember
please.
the one joke that says, I told my girlfriend she was drawing her eyebrows too high and she looked at me surprised.
Addison didn't feel comfortable doing the eyeliner and mascara, so I'm going to quickly apply it as we are short on time and need to get out the door to our next thing. I use L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof Mascara. That's my favorite mascara. I've tried a few others like Mineral Fusion and some other more natural brands, but I like this one the best because it does lengthen my lashes really well.
I'm gonna tone it down just so you know. I will do it before, but I know it's a bright hot pink, but I'll tone it down.
For lipstick, Addison recommends the Hot Pink LA Colors lipstick. First, start off with EOS chapstick, follow it up with the LA Colors pink lipstick, then with the Nude Colors LA lipstick.
Okay.
You like it?
Yep. Very nice.
See how it-
Okay, this was a makeover with my daughter Addison. What do you think?
I like it.
I think it looks a lot better. We used a few makeup wipes to tone down the angry eyebrows.
It's not angry, it just was too dark.
They were a little dark at first, but they look pretty good now, I think. So, for now, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.